What is going on, guys, and welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about some changes that we're doing with the channel in 2018 to revamp and rebrand it to increase your experience. That's all coming up. Hey guys, and welcome to Window Tinting Business, where we strive to inform, inspire, and improve you as a professional. As always, my name is Patrick. I'm a full-time window tinter, instructor, and consultant. And if you're interested in window tinting as a side job to improve your current skills or as a full-on career, start right now by subscribing to the YouTube channel and joining our Facebook group, both at Window Tinting Business. Alright, some new and exciting changes are going to be happening with 2018. We did have a good 2016 and 17 year. We just started and we were building and we're growing our following, but I really want to crush it in 2018. So we're going to be focusing on 4 main segments throughout the year. Our first segment is going to be how-tos. Those have always been popular. We're not going to change that, but I will revamp some old videos so that they're more current and have a better production value for you. So that's going to still stay. Our second segment that we're going to be doing is film reviews. So window film manufacturers and film reviews. We're going to be talking about different types of film, giving you some backstory about it, and doing some sort of rating scale with the film, how it shrinks and the clarity after installation, or how well is it to work with. So those are different types of things that we're going to be doing in that segment so that you understand and know what is available out in the market. Third segment is going to be our business side. So knowing how to tint is very good, but if you don't know how to run a business, it's half the battle. So we're going to be talking about different things that you can do to help run a business and make you successful as well. And last but not least, our last segment is going to be product reviews and add-on reviews. So we're going to be reviewing different types of products that are out in the market, currently out in the market, or maybe showcasing some different products that are going to be coming out shortly. So you are aware of what's out there that can help you. Also, with add-ons, just to be adding on not just tinting, but being able to add on maybe smoking out taillights, maybe blacking out emblems, maybe a glass application to repel water, a number of different things that we can do to add on to the bottom line to increase your bottom line. And that's what we're going to be doing in that section. So all 4 segments are going to be not just how to tint, but how to tint and pretty much covering the whole thing. I want to be your go-to channel so that you have everything and all your questions going to be answered, and every types of videos that is going to help you be successful, not just how-tos. So that's all the new stuff that's going to be happening in 2018, so keep an eye out for them. I want to give a big shout out to everyone that's been there since the beginning. If you're brand new to the group and you're brand new to the community, I want to welcome you. You're coming in at a really exciting time, and we're going to be doing some really exciting things. So stay tuned, and it's all coming up. Thanks again, guys. We'll talk soon.